Hello everyone. Are you wondering what litigate means in a casual context? Let's explore. In casual or online discussions, litigate refers to the act of debating or discussing a topic at length, often in a serious or contentious manner. It's used to describe situations where people argue over details, challenge each other's viewpoints, or engage in deep analysis of a subject. The term borrows from the legal world, where litigation involves formal disputes, but in this context, it highlights how conversations can turn into prolonged debates. Litigating a topic suggests that people are treating the discussion almost like a court case, presenting evidence, and making arguments to prove a point. It reflects the intensity with which people can engage in online discourse, or even casual topics can spark heated debates. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.